Hadin ke Chinyo Chungtim, Kidhot Kayang Darbar, Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, but Kinong Shukshnong, Umundri Rongba Barim, Nungelam Galang Persha, Agayang Darbar Tohan Jala Meklea, Dr Mukul Sangma, Ulalaj ban Jurip kyndit Chikabu dewïong South Garo Hills, ban lap Chiti dewïong bian kepadang ya Chakmat, Hakajala. Dr Mukul Hadin ke Kichuan Jurip Ulang, Banau dewïong Bosakut, Jaka, Kapanshisha, Bakachuan Te dewïong, Kachintap dewïong, Bakachinkai, Kaya Chakmat, Bakachurba. Dakapapan pa Bakasokar Jala Bamenta, Kaya Dai. Kamti dewïong bian Dr Mukul kuntu sekarang dia bagi boran bersim kiai cinti dewïong bian ke bajur ke leng ke jela ulang ba cinti ba khai dewïong bian ke kata ke yo ke jela ki district council ba khamtam ki pajba nomor 8 trai kam ya ka ban ker ki musur ki khachna
an investigation which should be monitored by the court. Unless this is done, the whole illegalities will continue with complete impunity, and this is something which we have to stop to protect the interests of the state and the nation. See, please remember one thing. The state government receives the royalty which is also passed on to the district council. All the district councils are recipient of the share of royalty from the state government. In addition to that, we also have GST, we also have cess, number of revenue which accrue to the government exchequer to enable the government to meet its liabilities pertaining to environment, pertaining to other aspects. Therefore, there is a serious loss, a loss which has been continuing for last few years, not just now. The scales at which it is going is very alarming, and therefore we can't be a silent spectator. It must stop.